Hello everyone, and welcome back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today we are learning Lesson 9, the first part of the story of Abraham, and we are also going to learn the names of countries around the world. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words. Are you ready? Friend, friend. My friends are very happy. Friend, wife, wife. The husband and wife like to cook together. Wife. Move, move. They use a car to move to their new house. Move. Place, place. The park is my favorite place to sit. Place. Promise, promise. I promise I will help you. Promise. Give, give. He gives his friend a gift on his birthday. Give. Land, land. This land has mountains and grass. It is very beautiful. Land. Children, children. There are many different children in my class. Children. Live, live. The man wants to live in a house or an apartment. Live. Generation, generation. My grandmother, my mother, and I am from 3 different generations. Generation. Greater, greater. 3 is greater than 2. Greater. Lay down, lay down. The horse lays down when he is tired. Lay down. No one, no one. The classroom is empty. There is no one there. No one. Great job. Let's read our power verse together. Are you ready? John chapter 15, verse 13. Greater love has no one than this, that someone lay down his life for his friends. You know these words. Greater, greater. No one, no one. Lay down, lay down. Friends, friends. Let's read it together one more time. John chapter 15, verse 13. Greater love has no one than this, that someone lay down his life for his friends. Awesome work. Now let's read My Precious Book together. My Precious Book, page 17. God called Abraham his friend. Abraham had a wife named Sarah. One day, God told Abraham to move his whole family to another place and promised to give all the land there to him so that his children could live there for many generations. Abraham had a lot of farm animals. Can you see which animals are in the picture? What are the names of the two people in the picture? We can learn 3 important points from this story and from our power verse. Number 1, God calls us his friends. Number 2, God promises to take care of us. Number 3, the greatest love is to lay down your life for your friends. Jesus laid down his life for us because he loves us. Awesome job! Now let's learn our new vocabulary words about the countries around the world. Cambodia, Cambodia. United States, United States. You can also say USA, USA. China, China. India, India. Vietnam, Vietnam. Thailand, Thailand. Singapore, Singapore. Philippines, Philippines. Laos, Laos. Malaysia, Malaysia. Indonesia, Indonesia. Myanmar, Myanmar. Korea, Korea. There is North Korea and South Korea. Korea. Japan, Japan. Australia, Australia. England, England. Ireland, Ireland. France, France. Germany, Germany. Great job! There's a little bit of English grammar we need to learn. Are you ready? When you are talking about countries, you can say, where are you from? Where are you from? I am from. I am from. I have been to. I have been to. I want to go to. I want to go to. Great job! Now let's listen to our dialogue together. Look at this map of the world. Where are you from, Mary? I am from the United States. Where are you from? I am from England, but now I live in Cambodia. I live in Cambodia now too. What other countries have you been to? I have been to Germany and France. How about you? I have been to Malaysia and Australia, but I want to go to the Philippines. They say the beaches are very beautiful there. Yes, I want to go there too. I also want to go to China. I really like Chinese food. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your new vocabulary words and how to say the different countries of the world. You can also talk about where you are from when you are meeting people. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!